Good morning, everyone. I wish you a happy Independence Day. Our people's cry and our leaders' blood cry turn our days into happy days. That is our Independence Day. And I wish everyone happy Independence Day once again. This is our 74th Independence Day we are celebrating. Without wasting time, I call upon our chief guest, Srimati Shushila Devi, the trustee of our institution. Now, a tricolor flag has been unfolded and show our patriotism by singing the national anthem.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
भारत माता की
जय।
भारत माता की
जय।
भारत माता की
Jai. Now, I call upon our Principal S.K. Singh for announcing the House Captains and for speech.
A very good morning to all my dear students, parents, teachers, and every citizen of India. Honorable Chairperson of this institution and all the members of management. It's proud privilege for me to address you on 74th Independence Day. This is the first Independence Day of Delhi World Public School, which was not possible without your wholehearted support, hard work, dedication, and an aim to do something for this region of Bundelkhand. Indeed, it's a happy moment and historical moment for Delhi World Public School, which is the network of an international schooling system in India. I proudly announce your faith, your trust has reached to the highest number intake or highest number of admissions in India of Urai branch. And of course, that is a great sign, blessings of God, and of course a return gift of hard work of this management who is aiming to contribute this Bundelkhand area. My dear students and parents, this was not possible without your support. We have started school from first week of April. Due to this pandemic and due to this crisis, the way you are supporting, the way students are learning, the way whole society is dedicated, the way management is taking care of each concern of this school. Of course, this is going to flourish. This is going to raise a standard very soon as international school on the area of Bundelkhand. My appreciation to all my students who are doing great work from the home, and as an award we have selected through an academic and a selection process of the house captain of each class. So each class will be having 4 houses. Normally it is named as a color, and in schooling we know these 4 houses are what they meant for. These houses are meant for unity. These houses are meant for a teamwork, and these houses are meant for raising a school standard high and learning together. Independence Day is a day when we remember all our freedom fighters, but this is 74th year of India, and India is globally competing this whole world. So at this time we have to have independence from within your heart. Independence from your evil thoughts. Independence from the wrong practices which is happening in the society. So it's responsibility of all citizens, including you, me, and everyone, to take this country to a greater height. Now this is the time for my all loving and talented students to hear. They might be waiting for a result of their house selection. So winners are winners, but runners are also winners. I'll be reading 12 names from each class. The best boy will be declared as a house captain, and second one will be declared as a vice captain, and another one from one class will be declared as a discipline in charge. The house which has been named, red house, will be known as a faith. Green house will be known as a brave. Yellow house will be known as a hope. And blue house will be known as a peace. So faith, brave, hope, and peace. These are the fundamental inner code sound of your heart. These all are abstract nouns which we can feel, which we can practice, and which we can enhance. So I'm starting from class first. I request all of you, once I announce the name, clap should go on. So students, those who are watching us, they feel at least that they are being indoors and their talent has been appreciated. So class first, house captain of the Faith House, Ananya Gupta. Greenhouse, Arya Gahoi. Yellow House, Varnyam Seth. Blue House, Aditya Soni. Now I'll be reading Vice Captain of Red House, Abhimanyu Singh Rajput. Green House, Alankrit Pratap Singh. Yellow House, Alia Khan. And Blue House, Kunal Kankare. I think you can clap. There is no stop on this, and this will be a good practice. Discipline in charge for the Red House, Das Gupta. Arav Gupta of the green house, Paridhi of the yellow house, and Drishti Gautam of the blue house. Moving to class second. Captain for the red house, Adya Garg. Green house, Mitakshi Singh. Yellow house, Ans Patel. And blue house, Aryan Awasthi. Vice captain for the second class, Adarsh Yadav. Arnika Gupta of the green house, Vaishnavi of the yellow house, and Subh Bujjar of the blue house. Discipline in charge for class second, Agrati of the red house, Sayunjaya Kausik of the green house, Ans of the yellow house, and Vardaini of the blue house. Class third, Captain Udit Singh of the red house, Artika Mittal of the green house, Vedant Singh of the yellow house, Yes Rajput of the blue house. Vice captain for the class third, Aradhya Gupta of the red house, Aradhya of the green house, Arya of the yellow house, and Purvi of the blue house. Discipline in charge of the class third, Arnav Singh of the red house, Arush of the green house, Kavya of the yellow house, and Mitra Singh of the blue house. This is a hard work result, and I'm not finding that energy amongst the teachers. So I request you, clap should go as a clap. Moving to class 4. Captain Khushi of the red house, Dikshita of the green house, Sarthak of the yellow house, and Ranjit of the blue house. Vice captain Apurva of the red house, Vansika of the green house, Som of the yellow house, Tejasvi of the blue house. Discipline in charge, Kumar Suresh of the red house, Ans of the green house, Satvik of the yellow house, and Riva of the blue house. 4 more houses remain, and trust me, think of the child, those who have competing to each other from the class. This small effort of putting clap will give energy for entire life. So class 5th, house captain of the red house, Saswat, house captain of the green house, Shlok Rajput, house captain of the yellow house, Samriddhi, and house captain of the blue house is Yash. Vice captain of the red house, Dhairya, vice captain of the green house, Sivans, yellow house, Suryans, and blue house, Bhavya. Discipline in charge of the class 5th, Arya of the red house, Ans of the green house, Rishita of the yellow house, and Shaurya Divedi of the blue house. Moving to class 6, Captain Jay Agrawal of the red house, Gaurav Singh of the green house, Suryans of the yellow house, and Harshit Patel of the blue house. Vice captain for class 6, Kaustubh Agrawal of the Red House, Shubham of the Green House, Ishwani of the Yellow House, and Karthik of the Blue House. Discipline in charge for class 6, Shiv Dubey of the Red House, Rudra of the Green House, Akshita of the Yellow House, and Huria Ali of the Blue House. Moving to the class 7th, Captain Sivans of the Red House, Soumya of the Green House, Harshit of the Yellow House, Anvesha of the Blue House. Vice Captain for the class 7, Harshita of the Red House, Priya of the Green House, Parth of the Yellow House, and Jayavardhan of the Blue House. Discipline in charge for class 7th, Akshara Maheshwari of the Red House, Vaidehi of the Green House, Tejas of the Yellow House, and Akshat Singh of the Blue House. Moving to the final senior class of this session, class 8th. Class 8, Captain Gauri Gupta of the Red House, Diya Agrawal of the Green House, Arkaja of the Yellow House, and Atharv Gupta of the Blue House. Vice Captain for class 8, Akshara Agrawal of Red, Tanvi of Green, one set of Yellow House, and Sankranti Yadav of Blue House. Discipline in charge and the final announcement. So keep your energy high. Let the reach this sound at least to the town of Urai, Ajanari to Urai. Discipline in charge is a Mukul Maheshwari of the class 8th Red House, Devans of Green House, Meghna of Yellow House, and Manya Pathak of Blue House. All my dear students and parents, those who are listening to me, आप सब लोग जो मेरी बात यहां से सुन रहे हैं, मेरी तो सिर्फ पढ़ने की जिम्मेदारी थी, लेकिन ये नतीजा आपके हार्डवर्क, आपके डेडिकेशन और आपके पेरेंट्स की मेहनत का फल है। तो अगर मैं अपनी बात सीधी तरह से कहूं, और ये 2-3 लाइनें मुझे जिंदगी में मुझे बार बार याद दिलाती हैं कि सफर में निकल पड़े हो तो मुसाफिर, सफर में निकल पड़े हो तो मुसाफिर, कहीं सहरा कहीं समंदर भी आएंगे, और याद रख तेरी कामयाबियों के बाद रिश्ते निभाने लोग तेरे घर भी आएंगे। So these lines are dedicated to all my dear students and those who are runner. Future is yours. So out of 30 to 40 students, 12 are selected. But my heartfelt gratitude for those who are not selected. So those who are selected, they have used their chance. And those who are not selected, get ready. These nominations in the second term, again we will change. This is nothing like a fixed portfolio which is given to you all. So keep your energy high, change, and in next term examination, who will score high, they will be awarded with the same name. So congratulations once again, wish you happy Independence Day. Keep morale high. India is fighting with Corona, or India is enlightening to the whole world. great hope for this whole world is India. We are not realizing at this time of pandemic also, we are changing to the whole world. And maybe this pandemic may take India to a greater height as an opportunity. So wish you all the best. एक बार फिर से आप सबको स्वतंत्रता दिवस की बहुत 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 शुभकामनाएं. थैंक यू.
Thank you, sir, for a wonderful speech and also the beautiful quote. It enlightened us. And I congratulate the students who has been selected for our school events. And it is the last part of the Independence Day program. I thank each and everyone who has made this program a successful one and wish you once again Happy Independence Day. Thank you.